So I'm always winning my trade whenever possible. I refuse to lose. Refusing to lose. Man, I can put that right on there. I can put it here on the bottom, on the low. Let's see if it breaks above that. We're ready. I can put it on the right at there. If it goes below that, we're ready. So I just kind of put it in the middle. So that's my critical state, and we're waiting for it to break outside of that. If I wanted to go look at other symbols, I could do this and say set alert. Set alert. Now I can go. Now all I do is I wait for the signal in my ear for something to happen. Right?
Mm-hmm.